Hello you lovely people and welcome back to LexiReviews. In the spirit of overdoing things as I usually do, I actually got a new camera specifically for YouTube. And it looks like this! Fancy, isn't it? Anyways, I re-record things a lot, especially in little tiny clips, because I can barely say a sentence before it turns into word salad. What does this mean? It means that I need to fiddle with the camera a lot. One of the reasons I liked recording with my DJI Osmo Action so much is that it's voice activated, so I can tell it to stop and start recording and not have to fiddle with the buttons. However, this is a Sony a7 III, and it doesn't have voice technology stuff, nargle wargles, cucumbers. And honestly, if it did, I'd be kind of concerned. So I found this. This is the Sony RMTDSLR2. This gives you all sorts of camera functions through a basic IR remote, as if you were just controlling a TV. There's a small sensor on the front of the camera, but apparently, according to the reviews, this thing also works from the back because dark magic and Cthulhu, I don't know. So let's unbox it. Pokius buttonus. Delicious packaging. Yeet! Ah yes, the very important instructions that nobody ever frickin' reads. And now, the moment I've all been waiting for, this little guy right here. Just gonna rip out this small battery tab. So not only does this give you menu control, it also gives you shutter, start and stop record, display mode, focus mode, and if your lens supports it, a zoom in and out. Obviously my camera doesn't have a power zoom lens, but if your camera does, it will be here. It also has a print button. I don't know of any cameras that have printers on them, but maybe they have like one of those like sticker printers or whatever. But yeah, let's do some range tests. The first being right now. Crap, I thought I made sure it was compatible. Recording this part really quickly on my phone. If any of you get this remote, you have to turn it on. So you have to hit menu, then you're gonna go to setup, and I believe it's the third page right there. It'll say IR remote. You're just gonna change that to on. Haha, it works! I'm not dumb! Well, so yeah, once you put that menu setting in, this thing becomes complete control of your camera. Another feature I really like is there's actually a 2-second shutter. If you do astrophotography, any sort of shots where there might be vibration or anything like that, you can hit that button and then take your hand off the camera if it's on a tripod or just sitting on a shelf, and you won't have to worry about the jitters. I have a tremor in both hands, so I really like that feature. So yeah, looks like I paid about $29 for it, which is, for me, personally, totally worth it. It would be even more worth it if I had something like the Mark 7, any of the Sony vlog cameras with the built-in lenses, so you could actually make use of the zoom. But overall, even for a mirrorless or DSLR, pretty freaking worth it. But yeah, if you want to pick this up, the link is down below. It's my Amazon affiliate link. It helps us out a little bit if you purchase using that link. And more reviews coming soon. Bye!